Hello class and welcome to week 13 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you will be again continuing with your reflections on what you've been working on in English 101. So let's go to it. You'll have to probably scroll all the way down on the discussion board and turn the page because it may go to page 2. So if you don't see the Great Week 2 discussion board post, just scroll down and hit the arrow to turn the page, and there you'll see it. You may also hit the button at the bottom that says Show All or Expand All so that you can have all of the posts on one page. So for the Grade 2 discussion post, it's a reflection on what you've done this week in English 101. So in English 101, you will be completing the annotated bibliography that reflects a popular artist in a genre you enjoy, which is whether it's music or film, literature, fashion, technology, and so forth. What I want you to do is to connect the content from the sources in your annotated bibliography to the questions from the grade assignment prompt. So please take a look at the grade assignment prompt, and that may help you. So here are some things I'd like you to analyze about the artist's career. What have they contributed? Why is it valuable? Apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as the representative of an entire genre of creativity? Explain why the artist of your choosing is the quote-unquote John Philip Sousa of his or her genre, like the way Klosterman argues that Sousa represents all of the marching band music and Bob Marley represents all of reggae. Okay, so please organize your discussion in about 2 to 3 paragraphs. Include one quoted or paraphrased example from the source, from the sources in your annotated bibliography, of course, with MLA citations, and include a works cited page. As always, please don't forget to respond to at least 2 peers once you're finished. For your reflections at the end, for your Module 4 Week 2 Reading and Writing Reflection, again, this is very similar to what you've been working on. You're going to reflect on what you used to think, what you now think, how you connect to the readings, especially the readings you've done in the annotated bibliography, what you see, think, wonder, and organize it in paragraph by topic. Include at least 2 examples from the readings. Use quotation marks for direct quotations, and please introduce a quote with a signal phrase with the author's name, a verb, and a comma. When you're done with that, please respond to at least 2 peers based on what they've written. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.